Imagine you're a freelancer or a small business owner, juggling multiple projects and clients. How do you keep everything organized, on track, and ensure your clients are happy? That's where ClickUp comes in. ClickUp is a powerful project management tool that can streamline your workflow and improve collaboration with clients. In this video, we'll dive into the best practices for working with clients in ClickUp, from setting up projects to communicating effectively. Section 1. Setting up projects. When starting a new project with a client, it's essential to create a dedicated space in ClickUp. Here's how. Create a new project. Choose a suitable project type, e.g., list, board, box, calendar, based on your client's preferences and the nature of the project. Add relevant details. Include the project name, client information, and a brief description. Set up custom fields. Create custom fields to track specific data points important to your client, such as deadlines, budgets, or deliverables. Section 2. Assigning tasks and responsibilities. Once the project is set up, it's time to break down the work into manageable tasks. Here's how to assign tasks and responsibilities. Create tasks. Add tasks to the project, clearly defining their scope and expected outcomes. Assign tasks. Assign tasks to team members or yourself, ensuring everyone knows their responsibilities. Set due dates. Set realistic due dates for each task, considering the project's timeline and client expectations. Add dependencies. If tasks depend on others, create dependencies to ensure the correct sequence of work. Section 3. Effective communication. Clear and timely communication is crucial for successful client relationships. Here are some tips for effective communication in ClickUp. Use comments. Leave comments on tasks or within the project to discuss updates, ask questions, or provide feedback. Utilize tags. Use tags to categorize tasks or discussions, making it easier to find relevant information. Leverage views. Create custom views to filter and organize tasks based on different criteria, such as status, assignee, or due date. Share project links. Share project links with clients to keep them updated on progress and allow them to provide feedback. Section 4. Tracking progress and reporting. Keeping track of progress and reporting regularly to clients is essential for maintaining trust and transparency. Here's how to do it effectively in ClickUp. Use the progress view. The progress view provides a clear overview of project status, including completed tasks, tasks in progress, and upcoming tasks. Create custom reports. Create custom reports to analyze specific data points, such as time spent on tasks, budget utilization, or task completion rates. Share regular updates. Send regular project updates to clients, highlighting key achievements, challenges, and next steps. Section 5. Managing client feedback and revisions. Clients may provide feedback or request revisions during the project. Here's how to handle them efficiently in ClickUp. Create subtasks. For smaller revisions, create subtasks within the main task to track progress. Use comments. Use comments to discuss feedback, clarify requirements, and track changes. Update task status. Update the task status to reflect the progress made on revisions. Section 6. Closing projects and client satisfaction. Once the project is complete, it's important to close it properly and ensure client satisfaction. Here's how to do it. Review and archive. Review the project, ensure all tasks are completed, and archive it for future reference. Conduct a client satisfaction survey. Send a survey to the client to gather feedback on the project and your performance. Request a testimonial. If the client is satisfied, ask for a testimonial to share on your website or social media. By following these best practices, you can effectively collaborate with clients in ClickUp and deliver successful projects. Remember, clear communication, organization, and a focus on client satisfaction are key to building strong working relationships. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions,